The composites industry's solution for mold making of an item, such as this sports car seat backing, is based on legacy technology. This usually means using wood or plastic foam core milled by CNC and followed by manual hand layup of multiple fiber-reinforced layers. Naturally, this procedure is slow and expensive. This legacy approach also significantly limits shape and size options and is unfriendly to the environment. The people behind the Massivit large format 3D printing innovation are about to introduce the next generation alternative.
Our uniquely rapid additive manufacturing technology, integrated with proprietary printing materials, powers the industrial-grade Massivit 10,000.
Using one print head and one dispensing head, the forming pattern is being 3D printed, while the dispensing head simultaneously pours a highly durable and robust resin. The result achieved in unparalleled record time is a temporary double-layer shell with the resin cast in between. Now all that remains to be done is the swift removal of the two external pattern layers. By dipping the printed piece in plain water, both external layers fall off in small pieces, leaving the desired product ready for use. Cutting costs and boosting productivity with the Massivit 10,000.